How to pin a sticker on your Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your device so that you won't miss out any new features. After that you can simply open your story if you would like to use your sticker. So I simply choose this video right here, and when I tap on stickers right here, I will just choose any random stickers. Like I will tap for this crying baby. Now you can see that this crying baby is moving, and if I hold, then nothing happens. So before, the Instagram had a feature that when you tap on the sticker right here, it will show you the option of pin, and you can simply pin your sticker to one place. But now Instagram has removed these features of theirs, and sadly we can no more pin the sticker on our story. So if you want to really pin the sticker on your story, then there is one option that you can do. You can use the CapCut, or you can use the InShot app or any video editing app, and then you can pin the sticker. But with the help of Instagram, you cannot do that because Instagram has lost its feature. So if you want to do it, watch and try those apps and see if it works or not. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe for more video like this, and also comment on our video.